Welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today we're getting into a major move that separates hobby brands from serious businesses, knowing when and how to upsell your happy clients. Happy clients are your hottest leads. They've already experienced your value, they already trust you, and they're already emotionally invested in their transformation. Upselling isn't about pushing more products on them. It's about offering them their next step, a logical, exciting, and natural continuation of the success they've already started with you. The right time to upsell is after a client wins. When someone hits a milestone, gets a result, or completes a phase of your program, that's when their trust and momentum are at their highest. Instead of letting that momentum fizzle out, you guide them forward. You introduce them to a deeper offer, a higher touch service, or an expanded version of what they already achieved. How you upsell matters just as much as when. Position your upsell as a gift, not a grab. You're not trying to get more money. You're offering a new opportunity that matches their next level goals. Your messaging should sound like, "You've crushed this first step. Here's what's available now to go even further," not, "Buy more stuff from me." Another key is making the upsell easy and personalized. When you tailor the upsell to their journey, acknowledging what they've already accomplished and showing them why the next offer fits perfectly, it feels like support, not a sales pitch. Happy clients want more solutions, more momentum, and more depth when it's offered with care, not pressure. Final tip. The best upsells don't feel like selling. They feel like service. Help your happy clients take their next step naturally, and you won't just grow your income. You'll deepen loyalty and transform one-time buyers into lifetime brand believers.